Hello everyone, myself Ravi Singh from Andaman Experts. As the name suggests, Andaman Experts. We truly follow the philosophy. Today I am here to show you one property. The name Tilar Siro, Andaman. This is a CGH Earth property. Formally, it will be inaugurated by 25th December on the day of Christmas. So let's have a look on the property before it inaugurate formally. We are here to showcase you even before the inauguration. As everyone knows, CGH Earth is a Kerala-based hotel chain. This is the first venture based in Andaman. It's a tastefully designed the CGH Earth Experience style property. As some work is already going on, so let me introduce you to Mr. Jacob. Uh, Thank you, Mr. Jacob, to accepting our request to showcase your property.
Of course, the pleasure is mine.
So my first and foremost question is why the name is Tilar Siro.
Okay. Uh, the name was derived, we were trying to do some history into what can we name the property. So one thing that struck our creative head people mind was there is a language in Andamans, which is the Great Andamanese, which is slowly getting extinct. So we did research into that language and found out that Havelock in Great Andamanese was called as Tilar Siro. And alternatively, Tilar Siro has another meaning, which means coming out of the sea. So that is how the Great Andamanese used to refer to Havelock as. So we decided that would be an ideal name for our property.
So that is the great insight, and that is why we called CGH Earth Experience. So they do lots of research and
Yes.
then they come up with the product. So I would request if you can showcase your beautiful property, please.
Certainly, sir. This way.
Yeah, please.
So basically, we've tried to keep the property as green as possible. Rather than cutting down trees, we just tried our best to work around the trees.
That's really great. Maintaining the ecosystem is very important.
So here we have basically classified into two different room categories.
Okay.
One is the garden facing rooms, which
Okay.
are all these rooms here,
Okay.
which face a garden in front of the villa.
Okay.
And then we have the sea facing rooms that are all the rooms in the front,
Okay.
which has a direct view of the ocean.
Okay. So first we will have a look of the garden facing rooms. Then we will go for beach facing.
We'll directly go to the beach facing rooms.
Okay. So only the basic difference is view.
The
Otherwise,
balcony, if you look at here, these are all the garden facing rooms. The balcony is facing the garden,
right.
and here the balcony is facing the beach.
Beach. So only the basic difference is view. Otherwise, all the room size, facilities, amenities remain the same.
Absolutely the same. So these are some of the finishing touches that we are having. Last minute change of wood and all those
Yes,
things.
yes. I completely understand, and I believe our audience also will understand. It's a pre-inauguration visit, so of course some hampering must be there.
So this this is the room.
So, Mr. Jacob, how many rooms total in the inventory?
We have a total of 25 rooms, out of
Okay.
which one is going to be a pool villa, and
Okay.
the remaining two are differentiated between the garden villa and the
Pool villa.
and the sea facing.
Sea facing, right. So, these two categories are divided into equal ratio, or sea facing are in more quantity, or like
I
that?
would say sea facing is slightly into the more quantity because we only have 8 garden facing villas.
Okay. Okay, so let's have a look of the room and the amenities.
So you have a minibar in the cupboard, and the kettle will be coming over there.
Yeah, okay. It's a wall fitting television. So here is a sit out area and the stunning view of the beach. Some trees are around, but beach is clearly visible. Now let's have a look of the washroom. Okay, that is something unique. It's a sunbath experience. And other side, normal washroom. Okay. So at the front, the room unit we see are garden view units, and this is the swimming pool facing the beach. We will also go through the beach area, which is hardly 50 meters away from the swimming pool. There is some work going on, so apologies. More or less property is ready. 25th of December, on the day of Christmas, property will be launched formally. So here we are on the beach. So thank you very much, Mr. Jacob,
Pleasure is mine,
to
sir.
showing this beautiful property, and looking forward to have business with your property and you wonderful guys.
Looking forward to meet all your guests.
Thank you.